Found this guy in the little air handler pit. He's just a little turtle. I'm so glad I found you, little bro. Yeah, little bro. There you are. That's how big you are. You're so tiny. Here, I'll get you out of the box. He's so feisty. Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy. Here's your home. You won't get hit by a lawnmower here. Should I just toss him in, you think? You can swim, right, boy? Grass is so tall. Oh, you peed on me. You're not that dehydrated. Okay, boy. Woo! There you go. Go, boy. You can swim, right, boy? There you go. Oh, there he goes. I'm so happy. Live well, little guy.